Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 6 of the series Love is Better the Second Time Around. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Miyata was all messed up as Takashi hasn't contacted him since then. He couldn't believe that it was all what he was to Takashi. So he ran to meet him, but to his surprise, he wasn't at home. He went to Takashi's office and there from Shirashi he got to know that Takashi has returned to his family home. Shirashi told him everything as he has finally given up on Takashi. Takashi's mother apologized to him for putting him up for adoption back in time. Takashi said that when he opened up about him liking men, she became distant with him and asked him to hide it. But now asking him to come back to inherit family business is not right. Sugimoto heard everything. He came to meet Takashi and was favoring his mother. Takashi asked him if he was the one who told Miyata about their bet. When Takashi was leaving the house to run away with Miyata, he told about it to Sugimoto. Sugimoto said that it's just a fling and he was the one who initiated that bet. Sugimoto accepted that what he did was not right, but for Takashi, more than that, it was that he made that bet and hurt Miyata's feelings. Miyata has come back to that place again. He regrets that why did he believed in a random message and didn't check the reality of that photo. Miyata recalls their sweet moments together and how Takashi, who always seemed so cool, used to hide his tears and wouldn't let anyone know the sorrow of his heart. Sugimoto calls Miyata. Miyata tells him that he is on his way to Takashi's family home. Sugimoto asks him not to come as Takashi has never mentioned his name to protect him. Miyata says that he is not a child anymore and would take the share of his responsibility. Miyata reaches Takashi's home. He asks Sugimoto if he has ever loved Takashi. Sugimoto confesses that he used to like him but has never expressed it to him. He tells Miyata that Takashi was always serious about him and regretted hurting his feelings back in time. Miyata asks him to make him meet his mother as he didn't want to be an outsider anymore. He confronted Takashi's mother and told her everything that was true. Also, he confessed that they are in a relationship now and want to live together. Takashi also took the initiative and said that he wants to live with Miyata. They are together now and fears no one. Miyata has seen the cool side of Takashi but wants to see his other sides as well. Since high school, whenever he used to see Takashi sad, he always wanted to protect him as he has always loved him. Their love has faced all the challenges and now it is time for them to start a new life but together. So guys, here comes the end to yet another beautiful series. Please continue giving support to us in bringing more of such beautiful stories to you. Thank you.